activities of Glycyrrhiza glabra. According to ancient medical history, Glycyrrhiza glabra, which commonly known as licorice, is broadly used as both flavoring herb and medicine. The most suitable cultivated area for licorice are Asia and Mediterranean. These are native to countries with warmer temperature in both old and new worlds. In Western herbal medicine, licorice is most used herb. It has been utilized in drugs for more than 4,000 years. When we discuss its geographical distribution, then licorice usually grows at the height of about 2.5 meter and it is perennial herb. Leaves of this plant are imparipenate, alternate compound containing 4 to 7 elliptical pairs, lanceolate with oblong leaflets. The flowers are narrow and lavender to violet in color. The taproot is about 1.5 centimeter in length and further divided into subsidiary roots approximately 1.25 centimeter long, from which woody spawns arises horizontally. It is found either peeled or unpeeled. Fibrous structures breaks there with a specific order and sweet taste. And taxonomical classification of Glycyrrhiza glabra included there. It is the kingdom of Plantae and division in angiosperms. The class of Glycyrrhiza glabra is uh, dicotyledons and its order is family Fabaceae. The genus of this plant is Glycyrrhiza and the species is glabra. And the important phytochemical constituent of this plant is licoritin and licorice, flavonoids, and many others. Licorice is their dried root, which is the richest source of flavonoids. Important flavonoids which isolated from this, including glycolicoritin, and the structure of glycoflavone, licoarylocumarin, and coumarin GU12 were also isolated from this, and their pharmacological activities including Glycyrrhiza glabra with sugar water could be used as a cardiotonic. Mixture of scletum album and Glycyrrhiza glabra powdered with milk was prescribed by Chiraka for the cure of hematemesis. For the treatment of intrinsic hemorrhage, we use 10-gram paste of licorice is useful. In case of edema, a paste of licorice is very effective. And Glycyrrhiza glabra milk with butter is an effective treatment. For bruises and burns wounds, licorice mixed with butter was applied topically, or for decoction of licorice was useful uh, when applied topically. For the cure of falling and graying of hair, decoction of licorice root is very good wash. Because of its vast biological activities, this plant species is described in literature as it is used as an expectorant, anti-inflammatory, antitussive, good hormonal effect, detoxifies and give protection to liver. This plant shows profound effect against asthma, bronchitis, arthritis, peptic ulcer, Addison disease, allergic complaints, and steroid therapy. When we observe its external uses, we see that it can be used in herpes and eczema. In females, the level of testosterone is reduced by using the extract of Glycyrrhiza glabra, which also shows potential efficacy in aplastic anemia. Phytochemical component of licorice extract produce both estrogenic and antiestrogenic characteristics, which are also helpful for the management of autoimmune disease and some viral infections like acquired immune deficiency virus and many more. It is considered as significant drug for the cure of hormone-related female problem. Its root is added to numerous formulas and used as an energy tonic, especially for the stomach and spleen. In genitourinary disorder, roots of Glycyrrhiza glabra are also used as a demulcent, emollient, and laxative. According to various reports, licorice is also used as an antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-diabetic, anti-ulcer, antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-malarial, antithrombotic, anticonvulsant, immune stimulant, expectorant, and anti-allergenic. It was also demonstrated that its root have hepatoprotective effects, hypotensive and antidepressant and memory strength functions. Along with other functions, it is also useful in sore throats, cough, asthma, tonsillitis, gout, epilepsy, hoarseness, acidity, sexual debility, fever, swelling, skin diseases, jaundice, bleeding, and leukorrhea. The oil of this plant effectively cure the condition related to paralysis, epilepsy, and rheumatism and hemorrhagic disorder. It is also utilized in the management of diarrhea. It has many other economic properties other than therapeutics, such as in use in industry. It is also used as a food ingredients in sweet and alcohol-free drinks. It is also used in tobacco industry for many for many other properties, including laxative. Licorice is used as a basis. Its extracts are also used as a flavoring agents in soft drink, beer, and many pharmaceutical products. In beers, it is used in foaming agents also. Different several mechanism which runs in body which shows beneficial effect of glycyrrhiza glabra. Two significant components of licorice are glycyrrhizin and glycyrrhizic acid, which possesses growth inhibition effect against different viruses, including cytomegalovirus, human immune deficiency virus, herpes zoster and simplex, hepatitis A, and hepatitis C virus. The inhibition of hepatic metabolism of aldosterone and suppression of 5 beta reductase is carried out by glycyrrhizin and its metabolites. These are also cause of well-documented pseudoaldosterone syndrome. Glyceritic and glyceric acid possesses glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid actions, and the hormones which release from the adrenal cortex is almost similar in structures. Or also they perform steroid like in anti-inflammatory characteristics also present in licorice constituent that is same as the activity of hydrocortisone, the action of enzyme that is critical to various inflammatory activities. And it's a good medicinal plant because it is easily available, much cheaper as compared to allopathic medicine. So many people prefer to use its extract because of their lots of medicinal properties. So it is from the ancient time people use traditional medicine as an effective remedy for the management of many health related problems. So it is the licorice is one of the best medicinal plant which have potential to cure viral and bacterial infection. That's it. It's over. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatma Shabir.